Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a table in MS Word. There are different ways you can create table using MS Word. For more videos like this, you can subscribe the channel or you can press the bell icon to get the notification at your email. So here we are at the interface of MS Word, right? So here when we will click, so we will get the cursor here, right? Let me increase the size of the cursor so that you can understand what is happening here. Right now I don't want to use any tool from the above menu. I just want to create a table just by typing on my keyword. For that I should press plus, and then for a column there is some minus. It depends how long you want a column, right? How big column you want. Next a plus again, and then some minus. That will be the size of the column. Again let me make it big and press enter. Now you can see how the table has been created. Let's say this is a header of the table, and this is where we will keep our data, right? So this is a way in which you don't need to use any tool, and just by using plus and minus you can create a table. Next we will see how we can create a table by using insert and table tool, right? So here there are various ways of creating a table. At the top in this menu you have to come to insert tab, and then you have to click to the table. Here already the grids have been given, so when you will select this grids, automatically this table will be created, right? So let's say we have created this table. Okay, so here the number of rows are 6 and the number of columns are 8, right? Just I'm getting a step back, and then again when you will go to insert, here you will find different other ways of creating table. Now I want to select one way of drawing table. Now here using this you can draw the table. Now how? So I want a column, header, and now I want something here for name or serial number, and again something here for different field, and something here for different field. Now here I need a table here like this. Again I want a row here, a small column here, a small column here. Now this is a different way of designing table in MS Word, right? Again let me get back some steps, and then again when you go to insert you can go to this Excel spreadsheet. Now you can insert some Excel sheet here. You keep your data here, right? Let's say name and age. Name, let's say S1 is a name, S2 is a name, and S3 is a name, S4 and S5. Now they have different ages. Okay, so in this way you can create a table using Excel, right? Next, here some quick tables is already given, some already built examples. You can use any one of them and you can change the data, right? You can change the data. So this is the way using which I have discussed few ways using which you can create tables in MS Office, MS Word. For more information you can subscribe. For more videos like this you can subscribe the channel, and you can press the bell icon to get the notification for the new videos in your email. Thank you.